In Africa, I saw my first camel. Camels are amazing animals. They have a big hump on their back, which stores food. This allows the camel to travel long distances across hot, sandy deserts without getting hungry. Camels also carry passengers. When there's more than one camel, it's called a camel train. Peep, peep. I guess that makes the camel a really useful animal. The tallest animal I've ever seen is a giraffe. They have really long necks so that they can reach high into the trees to eat leaves. They're very elegant creatures who roam the savanna plains of Africa.